Spray this and get rid of lizards at home in 1 minute. First of all, to make this spray, take a medium sized onion, cut the onion into 4 pieces, put into chopper and chop it. Now strain out the liquid from chopped onion. Now add half cup of lukewarm water. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of Dettol. Mix it well. Now add into spray bottle. Spray it where you see the lizards. I hope this short video will helpful for you and you can easily get rid of lizards at home. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for new videos. Thank you very much.